Help me help you. Girl, what you tryna do? Cause I don't got a clue. No, I ain't no Scooby-Doo. Help you. Cause I'm hungrier than you. I just wanna get some food and you about to kill my mood.
Look at this squishy.
I used to get my little stick and reach out to the guys.
I'm doing a video.
For no reason. Let me get my mascara.
No, I'm doing behind the scenes of the Tara video. She's doing a
Hey guys,
video.
welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today I'm with my best friend Alexa. And we're doing my best friend does my makeup, but I'm doing her makeup because I want to. And anyways, hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. And
There's another squishy, guys. Okay.
My friend.
Okay, where's
Are we gonna do the makeup?
Tara? Where's the other squishy? Let me show
You
you.
can do it on my
The
bed.
squishy.
Sit in front of me.
Wow,
We need something. Where's my squishy?
it's right there.
Have a squishy. Oh, she had it. Here.
This one is really slow rising.
You want to put your tablet somewhere?
Yes, I am.
If we could, like,
This is my squishy. Oh, this is hard now to feel it.
yeah, I'm gonna get some
Oh, that is.
Oh my god, girl. Are you videoing this?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Come on, I can.
On YouTube channel?
Mine.
Where do you put this? I can't even. Look, I can't even squish it. My hand looks so weak.
My hands are powerful.
Hold on.
No, don't snatch out of my
Hold
hand.
on.
Stop, snatch.
I can't even see if it slow rises.
It is.
Gabby!
So this one is slow rising also. And I'll show you the other one. Okay. Let's go show you the other one. The other one is also slow rising. This one is my sister's. It had a little chocolate and sprinkles, but it got out. So, and this one is mine. This one is kind of slow rising. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. See you next Friday.